What's up, everybody? It's your boy Will Carter, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. Before we go any further, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button so you are subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell notification icon to turn her on so that you get alerted each and every time I make an upload. And if you want to check me out off of YouTube, you can check me out on my Instagram at I'm Will Carter. That's at IMWILLCRTER. I'm thinking like I don't know how to spell my fucking name. Sit, bitch. It's funny because I had to refilm that intro like 16 times because I haven't made a video in a while. So I almost forgot like what my intro sounded like. I almost had to go back and pull up an old video and be like, what I used to be saying again? You guys, there's just so much to talk about, but we're gonna try to talk about it all like real fast through one video because I don't got time. I wanna first start off with saying Happy New Year to everybody. I have not made a video in the new year yet, so I wanna say Happy New Year to everybody, even though we were 17 days late. Better late than motherfucking never. And for all the people that have been subscribing to my channel since my last upload back in December, I want to give you guys a special shout out because all of you guys have pushed my subscriber count to over 600. We are really about to hit 1,000. Like, seriously. Now we got that out the way, right? Today is the reveal of my first candle collection. I did launch my business about a week ago. Depending on whenever this video makes it on YouTube, it may have been a week or 2 weeks ago, but we launched, okay? Which means, yes, YouTube, y'all are the last to hear about it, but you know, we had to save the best for last, right? I have officially launched my winter 2022 collection. I did a soft launch. I'm lying. I did a soft mini launch, and I'll talk about why I took that route in a little bit. But first, I want to just give all the spotlight to the candles that's a part of the winter 22 collection, which is just 3 fragrances right now. Again, soft mini launch, okay? These are the only 3 fragrances that I'm offering right now because, as I mentioned, I just wanted to do a soft mini launch, not a soft launch, a soft mini launch. There's a difference. I'm trying not to drop these because, bitch, I can't even hold these right. I'm trying to, So we have Fireplace, we have Spice Berries, and we have Vanilla Wood. I hope that's in the correct order because let me make sure. Okay, it is. Starting with Fireplace. Fireplace is made inside of my charcoal colored concrete vessel. You guys have been following me. You know I make all of my vessels by myself, by hand, alone. It is a lot of work. It is. But it's so worth it because the vessels are so beautiful in my opinion. And also all of the candles here are made with my Cocoa Soy 93 wax blend. If you guys don't know what that is, it's Coconut 83 and Soy 10. Both are from AccuBlend. And I just blend them together to make my own unique kind of blend, right? This candle is giving more of a masculine vibe. So you got cedar wood, sandalwood, leather, musk. That all makes up this fragrance here, and it really does give you the vibe of kind of sitting by the fireplace, and you get that aroma of a lit fireplace on a cold winter night with your man. If you're more into candles that have a more masculine sense and not really into the whole super sweet and sugar and spice and everything's nice, then this is definitely the candle for you. This is her. That's her. Next, we have the Vanilla Wood, which is so far my best seller. So far. Vanilla Wood smells, obviously, like vanilla, but it definitely has a little bit of a twist, right? While you're definitely getting that vanilla aroma, you really are getting some nice outdoorsy, woodsy vibes from this candle as well, due to the white birch top note and the sandalwood bottom note of this candle. So it really is a nice twist to just a straight up vanilla fragrance. So it's kind of giving you something more outdoors, something more woodsy, while still being able to enjoy something really nice and sweet. So if you're looking for something a little more outdoorsy, like with the Fireplace, but feel like that might be a little bit too masculine, the Vanilla Birch is a good option to go with because you still get that outdoorsy smell, but you still get some nice heavy vanilla fragrance in there. And vanilla is like a staple with candle fragrances. You know, everybody needs a vanilla in their life. I mean, like, you can never go wrong, I don't think. And last, but certainly not least, sister, is the Spiced Berries, which is my favorite out of the 3 because it's just my vibe. Spice berries is made inside of my rust orange vessels. Again, if you guys have been following me, if you're subscribed to me, then you have seen this vessel before. I have made this vessel online. I've actually made this candle in a video posted on my channel. So if you guys saw that video where I was making candles, I was making this candle here. That smells so good. What draws me to this candle fragrance is the fact that it is very fruity. Heavy orange, but you definitely can sense a fruit medley lingering somewhere underneath that top layer of orange. But what gives this particular candle fragrance a twist is the spiced cinnamon. And you definitely feel this when you're burning this candle. In fact, you actually get this with the cold throw as well. The spiced cinnamon really gives this candle what would otherwise just be a traditional fruity candle, a really sickening, daring, bad bitch edge to it. Does that make sense? I feel like Coco Melon is about to fuck shit up. That's what this smells like. It smells like Coco Melon's about to fight that bitch. And there you guys have it. Those are the candles that are currently available in my Winter 22 collection. I am currently planning to expand on the Winter 2022 collection simply because I do want to offer more fragrances, but I wanted to at least start with a soft mini launch, as I keep saying, because it was really the best option for me. And now that I've got that part out of the way, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about why I went in that direction and what is within the future of my business, Queens of Garden. I'm the type of person that doesn't like to take risk, right? And I did give you guys a little bit of an explanation in my last video why I haven't released a collection yet, and a lot of that was true, but a big part of it that I didn't share in the previous video is the fact that, you know, starting a business is a huge major risk. And I had noticed that I was finding every reason not to launch. And although subconsciously I knew that this problem was there, I wasn't able to identify that problem out loud, if that makes sense. So a good friend of mine who is a business consultant, a professional business consultant, has his own business and everything, decided that he was gonna step in because he was on the outside looking in, and really helped me kind of figure out how to navigate this issue and to just take that fucking leap and just launch something. Sometimes you just need people to kind of help you see things through a different lens, because through my perspective, it just wasn't time yet. But I have been doing this for so long, and it was like, if it's not time, if now ain't the time, it ain't never gonna be the time. Well, that's not true, but bitch, know with me, there will be no fucking time. To close this out, I do want to briefly touch on the future of my business, Queens of Garden. Listen guys, there are so many new ideas that I have in my head and a completely different vision that I have in my head, thanks to my close good friend slash business consultant who really was able to kind of take my mind to a whole nother place as a business owner and as a creative individual, and see things completely different than the small tunnel vision that I was just seeing things. So I have so many incredible ideas. If you want to get your hands on one of my candles, all you have to do is go to my website, queensofgarden.com, linked in the description box down below. You can place your orders there. Get your candle while supplies last, because I did not start with a massive inventory. Again, soft mini launch, okay? Although the website does show the candle with a label on it, the candles do not come with labels on them. Only the product boxes do come with the labels. Two reasons. One, the jars are way too pretty to taint them with the label. And two, the jars are designed for reuse. Because they are sealed inside and out, the candle wax do not leave any stains or any seepage or anything. So when you're done with your candle, you can remove the wick from the jar and use the jar for any purpose that you want to use it for. A planter, make another candle out of it, or just use it for home decor. It's up to you, or throw it out. You better not throw my fucking shit out, bitch. So y'all better buy motherfucking candle out. Support small black business owners, bitch. And now that we're here at the end of this video, as always, make sure you are subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell notification icon. Check me out on my social media page, Instagram, and also follow my business page, Queens of Garden. Also going to be linked in the description box down below. Like this video, drop a comment, show me all the love in the world. And with that all being said, I hope you guys have a beautiful good morning, a beautiful good afternoon, and a wonderful, beautiful good night, whichever part of the world you are in. Goodbye. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.